Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Welcome to Blezard Valley, Ontario, a rural community located just north of Sudbury. The area's history goes back to the early 20th century, when settlers came to farm the fertile land and work in nearby logging and mining operations. Over the years, it has grown from a farming settlement into a neighborhood that blends country living with easy access to the city. Rolling fields, forests, and winding roads give the area a relaxed and scenic charm. While modern life has reached Blezard Valley, it has managed to hold on to its quiet, small-town feel. Whether you're passing through or stopping to explore, Blezard Valley offers a warm welcome and a peaceful escape.
Thank you very much.
Thank you for joining us on this tour of Blezard Valley, Ontario.